Hi, I'm Alex and I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equations. First I'm going to start with this one, which is a fairly easy one to do. Then I'm going to move on to this one, which is a slightly more difficult one to do. Right, first of all we'll write the equation down. (3x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 5). What are we trying to achieve? We're trying to work out what x is. How are we going to do it? We're going to get x on this side of the equals and another number on the other side of the equals. How do we do that? We do this using a process called cancelling out. This is how to cancel out. If you get rid of this 2 here, you make that equal to 0. To make plus 2 0, you minus 2. And a simultaneous equation is a bit like weighing scales. What's on this side is equal to what's on that side. So if you reduce something on that side, say the weight of it goes up. Sorry, the weight of it goes down, so it gets higher. And this one gets lower down. That means it's not balanced. So because you've taken 2 from that side, you need to take 2 from this side, which will bring them back up and equal again. Now let's start the demonstration. I've drawn the arrow on this side because this is the side I'm actually going to do. I'm going to do that 2 there. So I said I want to get rid of that 2. To get rid of that positive 2, or make it 0, you have to take away 2. You do on this side, you do on that side. So you take away 2. What are you left with? 3x on this side, and positive 5 minus 2 equals positive 3. And your 2x remains unchanged. So 3x is equal to 2x plus 3. Here you can probably quite clearly see what the answer is, but you need to actually do the entire process to get a proper written out result. So now I'm going to cancel out this 2x, so I get just x on this side. And to do that, arrow means we're working on this side. To get 2x to 0, you minus 2x from this side, and you also minus 2x from this side, which leaves you with 3x take away 2x is equal to 1x, or just x, is equal to 2 minus 2, which is 0x plus 3. So x is equal to 3. You don't need to write the plus, I do it I just find it easier to make sure I know that what's a positive and what's a negative number. So here I can easily write plus 2x or plus 3x, etc. To make sure it's right, put the 3 back into the equation. 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 2 equals 11. 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 5 equals 11. 11 is equal to 11. There you go, you've solved the first one. Now we'll move on to the more difficult one, which is 5, 3 plus y in brackets, minus 2, equals minus 3, y plus 5. I bet you're wondering, trying to think out, what do you have to do here? Well, it's actually rather easy. The first thing you have to do is expand the brackets. Expanding means times what's on the outside by what's on the inside. 5 times 3 is equal to positive 15. 5 times positive y is equal to positive 5y. And minus 2 isn't doing anything, so you just minus 2 there. Minus 3 times y equals minus 3y. Minus 3 times positive 5 equals minus 15. If you have a good look at the equation here, you've got 2 like terms on this side, so you can cancel it out straight away. We'll get rid of that minus 2 by taking it off the 15, which leaves you with plus 13 plus 5y equals minus 3y minus 15. There you go. Now you want to get all the y on this side and all the other numbers on this side. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of this hang on a minute, let me think. No, yeah, I'm going to get rid of this 13 from this side, so I've just got the y. To make positive 13 0, what do you have to do? You take away 13. What you do on this side, you do on that side too. Which leaves you with 13 take away 13 equals 0. You get positive 5y is equal to minus 3y minus 28. Okay, now to bring the y onto this side. How do we do that? Make minus 3y equal to 0. So you minus 3y from this side. Sorry, you add 3y on that side. And you must also add 3y on this side. What you're left with? Positive 8y is equal to minus 28. Nearly there. So you know what 8y is equal to? So all you have to do is divide it by 8 on both sides, which leaves you with 1y. If you put minus 28 divided by 8 into your calculator, you get minus 3.5. Should we check if this is right? I'm going to put it back into the very first one. Positive 15. 5 times minus 3.5 equals minus 17.5. Minus 2 is equal to 3 times minus 3.5, but because it's a minus 3 times minus 3.5, that equals positive, which is positive 10.5, take away 15. And if you all work it out, positive 15 take away 2 is positive 13. Positive 13 take away 17.5 leaves you with minus 4.5. 10.5 take away 15 also equals minus 4.5. So there you go. That is how you solve simultaneous equations.